Good morning, son. Happily, you have already woken up. I need to talk to you about something.
Morning, Mom. I don't feel like talking right now. Can we do that later?
No, I think it is to be now. I've been waiting for the right time to talk to you, but you are never here.
I've just woken up. Please. I don't want to hear you so early in the morning. Stop that now.
I'm just telling you the truth. These days, you are going out every single night.
Yeah, so what's wrong with that? I'm not a kid anymore. I'm a college student now.
Yeah, I know. And you father and I are very happy with that. Believe me.
Then, what is the problem here? I study and have fun sometimes. That's what people normally do.
I don't think it's normal you go party every night. Also, you drink alcohol and smoke a lot.
You don't tell me what to do, okay? I am not a kid anymore. I am 18 years old now.
I don't want to bother you, my son, but your father and I are really worried about you.
Well, tell him not to be worried anymore, okay? I'm fine. You just keep paying the college.
You shouldn't take to me like that. I think you're disrespecting me. I don't like that attitude.
Don't start, please. Now, get out my room. I'd like to sleep a little more. Go.
No, I told you before. I need to talk to you about many things, please. Don't be like that.
And I told you I don't want to hear you. I want to sleep because I'll go to another party later today.
Are you going out again? But you have been going to parties the whole week. Why don't you stay and...
Oh, shut up. Don't mess with me, Mom. You don't want to make me get angry.
No, of course I don't want that, but I need to tell you that your behavior is not acceptable, my son.
Blah blah blah. Here we go again. Listen, I do whatever I want to do, got it?
You're free to do what you want to do, but you can't smoke in the house or drink alcohol.
What are you saying? This is also my house when you die. I will have it for myself.
Okay, that's funny, but what I want to tell you is that your father and I are worried.
You know what? Enough. I'm sick of listening to you. Get out of here right now. Get out.
Son, I don't want you to get angry. I just want you to understand that the problem is you're going.
Enough. Mom, stop. Get out of here now. I want to sleep. Or you want me to leave the house forever? I'm tired of listening to you, okay?
Okay, son. I'm sorry I didn't want to make you feel so bad. I'm leaving now. God, that was hard. I don't know what to do. I try and try, but I can't deal with Ben. I need some help. But who can help me? Oh, I know. My dad. I will go visit him and I'm sure he can give me some advice. After all, he raised me very well. Hello, Dad. I came here to visit you. How is everything here in your house?
I'm fine, daughter, but you didn't come here just to visit me, right? What happened?
Why do you say that? I just come here to say hello or to ask how you are.
Oh, come on. You are my daughter. I know you very well. I know when you need me.
Well, to be honest, yeah, I need your help with something, Dad. I'm sorry to bother you.
Oh, don't worry. Take a seat from over there and tell me what is happening, my daughter. All right. Now tell me, what happened? Do you have any problem in your home?
I need your advice. It's Ben. I don't know what to do with him. He is not behaving.
I knew it. The last time I went to your house, everything was a mess.
I know, but I tried to talk to him and he doesn't want to listen to me. What should I do?
Okay, first, you need to tell me everything, okay? Then I will tell you what you have to do.
Okay, Dad. To begin, he smokes in the house every day and everywhere. We hate the smell of the smoke he produces when he does it. But he doesn't even care about us. Then he also drinks alcohol and sometimes he arrives drunk to the house. That's terrible. He always goes out. He likes going to parties and I don't even know where he goes. And I try to ask him where he is going. He tells me he is not a child anymore. He always disrespects us, his dad and me. He started behaving like this since he started college. I try to talk to him. For example, I did that this morning, but he didn't want to listen to me. I don't want him to get angry or to leave the house. I just want him to behave properly.
I see. And I see you are lost here. What are you doing, Jessica? You are his mother.
What do you mean? Of course, I am his mother, but I don't understand what you try to say.
Okay, you have to listen to me very carefully, okay? Because this is one of the most important things. You are his mother. You need to start behaving like one. He is your son. I'm gonna tell you something. You also started behaving like that at his age. So, I'm going to tell you exactly what I did in order to make you behave properly. Maybe you don't remember, but I used to be very soft with you. I used to go too easy on you. Things changed when you disrespected me. Then I understood I had to do something different. I wanted to be your friend. But that's not always possible. I was your father, so I had to do it. I had to raise my voice and sometimes yell at you. And I was hard on you sometimes. We can't always be soft or try to be our children's friend. That is something I had to learn. At first, you didn't understand and you got mad at me, but then with the time you did. Now, you're living the same experience and it's your turn to grow up as a mother and learn. I know it can seem very difficult, but it is necessary to educate our children correctly. And if you need any help, you know I am going to be here for you for the rest of my short life. I love you, daughter. And the only thing I want is you and your family to be happy together.
You're right, Dad. Thank you very much for your support. You were always there for me.
Well, that's what we, the parents, have to do for our children. Now, go and talk to your son again.
Thank you, Dad. I love you so much. I'm leaving right now. Take care. Ben, I need to talk to you right now, okay? And you will listen to me no matter what.
Mom, what are you talking about? Why are you so angry? I just woke up. I'm gonna sleep again.
I don't care. You will start behaving properly. Are you listening to me?
Again, with that? I told you. If you keep saying those kinds of things,
What? Leave the house? Go ahead. Let's see if you can survive going by your own.
What? Mom, relax. I was just kidding. Let's talk about it, okay?
No, enough with the talking. If you don't start behaving, you will leave my house, okay?
Mom, relax. Okay, I will stop smoking and drinking alcohol here. Calm down.
I hope so. And now get dressed and go help your father making the dinner. Go.
Alright, going now. Damn, you're getting old. I'm going, okay?